What's the word? Yeah. I don't trust the police. 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 They locked me up for something that I really didn't do. They was really tryna watch all my moves. They was really plotting on a young nigga too. Cause they really seen a young nigga had tools. If I catch a op, I'ma fuck him up too. If I catch the police, I'ma shoot him in his noodles. I don't give a fuck, I'ma do him like Kobe. Hey, I drop 81. I see a op, yeah, it's fun. Let them bullets ring like the dawn. I don't give a fuck, yeah, none. I'ma score on the op like what's up. I just bought me a new Glock with a cooler kid. All of them niggas ain't cool kids. I was really out there with that cool shit. All them pussy ass niggas, yeah, they foolish. They switched up on me. Hey, I got an AK for the ops. I told the niggas I'm finna slide, so give me the motherfucking drop. I told them niggas that you know they is some ops. Slide up on your block and I keep 30 shots. I just put 50 hollows in this motherfucking Glock. I just put 50 hollows in this motherfucking Glock. I don't trust the police. 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 It's for the judge and the DA. They tryna put me down for some years. I don't wanna be in a chain. They gon' shed some tears. Because a young nigga, I'm too hard. I make bail out of here. I'm that nigga in the streets and you gon' know. But I told you niggas, I'm in the streets, I ain't gon' fall.